If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can use archive copies of a company file to view its transactions and run reports. To open an archive copy of a company file in Sage 50 Accounting, open the original company file and then select File. Open Archived Company from the menu bar. Then click the OK button in the message box that appears to tell you that doing this will close the current company file. In the Open Archived Company window that appears, select the archived copy of the company file to open. Then click the OK button to open the selected archive, or click the Close button to close the window if needed. You can also restore a backup of an archive company to its original location if the original archive copy is moved, lost, or damaged. Note that this is not the process used to restore an original company file, which is called restoring a company. When you restore an archive company backup, the archive copy is restored, not the active or original company file. Also, remember that you can include the option to include archives in the backup when making local backup files in Sage 50. These separate backup files, which include the word archive in them, are what you need to restore the archived files if needed. To restore an archive company from an archive backup, open the original company file and then select File, Restore Archive from the menu bar to open the Restore Archive dialog box. This defaults to showing the company files folder. Use this to navigate to the folder that contains the local archive backup file or files. Then click the archive backup file to select it. Then click the Open button in this dialog box to restore the selected archive copy from the backup file to its original location. The selected archive copy of the company file is then opened within Sage 50 for use. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.